Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Sheets to plan all your trips. So if you are a traveler and you want to create an itinerary or a plan for your trips, you can use Google Sheets. In here, I've already opened the docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Then to easily plan your trips using Google Sheets, you can just use the templates from Google Sheets. So let's click on the template gallery, and here under the personal sections, you can see if you scroll down, there is this travel planner. So just click on this and the templates will be opened. Just wait a little bit. Okay, so here is the template. You can see that you can add the trip title in here. There is airline and flight, hotel name, conference agenda, tourist day, and blah blah blah. You can just create your own. So for example, you're going to change the trip title in here. For example, Emily's going to Spain, for example. And you can add the travelers in here. You can just add your name, for example, and here just add the other names, and you can change the dates in here and the destinations in here. For example, I'm going to go to Spain, and you can also add new tabs if you want to. For example, here I'm going to add lodging details in here. You can also add, for example, budgets in here, so you can just adjust it on your own based on your own trips. And after that, you can also, the best part is you can share it with your partner. So as you guys can see here, for example, you're going with someone else, you can share the file to them. So by clicking on this share, just find the person's name, okay, just wait a bit. Sorry, I don't know why it cannot be loaded, but you basically can share it with your partner, with your trips partner. And after that, the best part also is that you can still access this plan trips even if you're not having a Wi-Fi or connection. So you can just go to file, and in here make it available offline, so when you don't have any internet connection, you can still access this file. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.